It's time to finally lose the weight without sacrificing your happiness, the food you love, your social life, right? Without having to eat steamed chicken and broccoli every evening for dinner, without having to do hours and hours of cardio or exercise in the gym each day, because I know you ladies do not have time for that. Hey ladies, how are you? My name is Angelica Ventrese. I'm the founder and creator of the Fit for Life Transformation Program, where we help busy, career-driven women heal their guts, lose weight, and transform their bodies from the inside out without restrictive diet BS. Speaking of BS, I've been in the health and fitness industry for over 11 years, and I am so sick and tired of the misinformation, the lies, the BS that the industry puts out there. It's super confusing, and it really prevents so many women from reaching their dream bodies and dream lives. And if this sounds like you've been confused, you're sick and tired of all the yo-yo dieting, you're sick and tired of losing the weight, gaining it back, trying keto, low carb, grapefruit diet, all the things, I am here to help you, and I'm super excited to share our 3-week Fit in 15 challenge with you. But let me just give you a little bit of background on myself. So 11 years ago, I was actually 35 pounds overweight. I struggled with depression. I had severe acne, and I honestly felt like I was stuck. I was like, it must be genetics. It must be this. It must be that. I'm just never gonna lose the weight. And I tried all the things. I did hours and hours of cardio. I restricted my calories. I did keto, I did low carb, I did intermittent fasting, I did all the things. And then one day I hired a coach, he helped me transform my life, and it was through that transformation with him that I felt compelled to help other women achieve what I achieved, which is long-lasting weight loss. I've kept it off for over 11 years, and that's where the Fit for Life Transformation Program was born. So I left my medical sales job and I created this amazing program, and I'm gonna be sharing the blueprint with it with you guys in our Fit in 15 challenge. So right now, when you enroll in our Fit in 15 challenge, you're going to be getting everything for only $47. It is worth over $4,000. You're going to be getting coaching from me and my expert team of coaches. You're going to have live training sessions with us. You're going to be subscribed to our workout application, where the workouts are there laid out for you. You can do them anywhere, anytime, body weight only. You can feel free to add weights. You'll be actually subscribed to our workout application, so there's a video for each movement, so it takes all the guesswork out of it for you. We have a roadmap, so we lay out the entire 3-week challenge for you, so you're not guessing, you're not confused. You know what you need to eat, you know when you need to work out, you know what workout you need to do, what training video you should watch and attend. We'll be working a lot deeply on your mindset, because in order to create this long-lasting transformation, we actually have to do a lot of mindset work. So it's not just the nutrition and the fitness, it's also a mindset challenge, which is really, really important. And then in addition to all of that, you're going to have an accountability coach. So you're going to be connected with one of my expert coaches throughout the entire challenge. They're there to guide you, they're there to motivate you, they're there to support you as long as you show up and do the work, right? We're gonna have live Q&A, so you're gonna be able to come and ask us any questions you have about nutrition, fitness, mindset, anything that's on your mind. You're going to get a daily recipe guide, and then I'm also going to be giving out $1,000 worth of prizes to the challenge winners, so I'm super excited for that as well. Close your eyes for a second, and I want you to picture this. I want you to picture a day where you wake up and you feel amazing in your own skin. You have no bloat, you have so much energy. You walk to your closet and everything fits. You don't have to worry about anything. You're not stressing out about going on vacation and wearing a bikini because you look good in everything. You're not stressing about the holiday parties, the events, the work travel, the birthday parties, whatever you have coming up, because you're in control of your body, your mind, and your relationship with food. Picture your friends and your family and your lover coming up to you saying, wow, you look freaking amazing. What are you doing? Picture yourself growing in your career and your relationships and having a better relationship with your children and your partner, because you feel so good. You feel confident. You feel empowered. All that is available to you. I invite you to enroll to our challenge now before spaces fill up. We only take a certain number of ladies in the Fit in 15 challenge. Like I said, it's worked for hundreds of women. So we only take a certain number of ladies in each challenge because we work very closely with you guys. We want to make sure you get the attention that you need to get the results you desire. So the time is now. Go ahead, click the link below, and I'll see you inside our challenge group.